Now, most parents in Britain will be very aware of these sort of books, especially when your children are around 4, 5, 6 years old, because to send them home for reading. I've got a couple of questions from a couple of pages in. It's a very plain, simple book. You would think everything is normal. A little bit confused by the dog. Oh, random dog in the corner, just, you know, just minding its own business. It's a dodgy looking guy. I'm not judging. All I'm saying is he's a dodgy looking guy. Sorry if you're offended by that. Could just be the dog's owner. It could just be the dog's owner. You never know. Anyway, story continues. They've got the net stuck on something in there. Now it looks like there's a little... yeah. I have no idea what's going on there. There's some kind of Nancy pedo convention happening behind that bush. Is that a dead body? Is that man? What's happening behind that bush? What is going on behind that bush? What has happened behind that bush? Like, explain what has happened. I'm. Can these people tell me? Can these people tell me, please?